This one goes out to anyone who's had children or perhaps can no longer use a trampoline. They have to cross their legs when they cough or sneeze so that they're not bothered by the urinary incontinence. You may want to consider, or you should consider, the O shot. And what we do is we draw your blood and we spin it down and we get the platelet-rich plasma. We then take that and treat the area locally. What that does is it helps with the regenerative properties of the tissue that ultimately improves that urinary incontinence, as well as oftentimes the quality of your orgasm and the sensation. The treatment takes up to 3 months to get the maximum benefit. And again, depending on the severity of the issue that we're treating, we do recommend 1 to 2 treatments about 3 months apart. And the procedure takes about 5 minutes. The longest part is spinning down your blood. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us at 480-398-8301.